Last session, we have seen order confirmation configuration by using new output determination. In this session, we'll specifically look out for transactional level. Okay. So probably if you see this, okay, this is the new output determination by using all these other determination steps we have seen in the previous video. Okay. So let's try to check the transaction level, how it works. So now let's go to the DOR1 is the document type we have taken. So let's try to take this customer as an example. Okay. Let me take some quantities of materials. Okay. Okay. Let's save this order first. Okay. So our sales order is 7527. Let's try to open the same sales order in the change mode. Okay, let's try to observe. This is a header level we have done. So let's go to the output. That's why you don't have item. If you have both header and item, you'll come here. It will come here. So let's go to the edit. You can able to see this. This is the status is completed when successful. Now, if you look at this dispatch time, okay, we have a couple of dispatch times immediately and scheduled. Okay, this we have done in previously. Okay, this is output type order underscore confirmation. So I have taken sold to party. Okay, so and he is the receiver. Okay, that means the current customer. So the channel is print. Actually, basically, if you look out for, we have a different channel: CDI, email, and print. If you want, you can able to add XML also. So the country, DE Germany, and language is English, and this is the form template. Okay, this is standard it has given. This system, it is got little corrupted because evapors also will work, right? Certain times, either one of the form if you take also, some message is appearing, don't worry about that. But you can able to see the rest of the output clearly. Okay, so actually in standard, you don't have this dummy master praise or something like that. So someone has made it like that, but you can able to see the results clearly here. So you have order date, Jan 3rd, and delivery date, and this is the customer reference I have taken. This is PO text. Actually, this is PO number basically. Okay, let's go a little down. You can able to see this all three line items we have taken. Okay, so you have an item wise gross and net value, and your total net value is this one, and 16% tax it is got calculated 3812. Okay, let me try to do one thing. Let's try to open this one parallelly here. Okay, let's try to do it. Otherwise, I'll just take the screenshot of these values so that we can able to compare. Okay. So like if you look at this, so you have a email ID and a location, and this is Incoterms. If you want, you can able to take your own requirements. Okay. So let's try to first close this. Okay. So now let's compare this. I have taken a screenshot, right? Or else I can able to download also. It's always possible. What is the net value? 3286. Okay, let's go and compare. Header level, we have three line items, right? Okay, so gross is this one, 3800, and your tax is 525, and total is 3812 after excluding all discounts actually. Okay, so let's come here. So now you can able to see this total net amount 3286. Okay, 3812 is the total. When you do the subtotal of your tax plus net value, that's what it is showing here. Okay, so gross and net value for line item is 2017.29 here. So let's try to go and compare. So this is standard from it will work. perfectly. It is not developed by any technical person to debug, but still someone has modified, like, the unwanted text, what it is coming, right? So that is done by your technical developers who actually doing practice here. Okay. So if you look at this, the first one is net value is 2006. Okay. Line wise, let's compare this. Okay. So after it is got rounded up, okay, this is the one. Let's try to have a comparison. How much it has taken? 1729 and 276. Okay, we'll try to check. 1729. Okay, and tax it is not taken. Only net it has taken, and it is 800 and 691,000 and 864. Okay, 691. Okay, so 864, like that, you just got calculated. See, form requirements, we can able to play with that. Okay, so in real time we can able to give, so no one is going to accept that this is the standard form. This is all about new output determination for your order confirmation. In next session we're going to see billing output configuration and transaction level, because this material and some issues will be there. I'll try to fix it on a live. Since we are recording this one, let's try to go back at header level, extras and output and header. Let's try to click on edit. So all good. Let's select this and try to check the any log messages are there. So if you look at this, okay, so if everything is green, okay, so how it is processed, and you will have a parallel technical ID at a background, it will be generated GUID. So who is the user and all these things, you can able to see this. Okay, so if you wanted to repeat the output, let's click on duplicate and let's try to save in the similar manner. Let's try to save it. Okay, go inside. So let's go to the extras and output header and edit. Okay, this is one more time duplicate. It is, see, whenever it is generated as a duplicate copy, it is coming like this. Let's try to check how exactly it works. Okay, someone has this dummy master phrase or something, some unwanted text, and they just put it. Okay, that's fine. This is how the duplicate it is created. In real time, what happens if any two? So we'll just build everything with the logo and all those stuff. Actually, that's it. Just follow these steps. You can able to get it what you want. And let's close this one time. I can able to save this PDF. Let's go /n OPD. Just wanted to show you a few more things before moving ahead. So this is the place where we have taken our sales document, and all these are the steps actually. Okay, so this is for order confirmation. Let me try to check. So this is where, like, form template we have assigned, right? So see here, each and every section, whatever you take. So this is the, parameters we are taking, condition columns. Okay. So there is nothing mandatory like I need to choose. Okay. Each and every input actually. So if you would like to make this one mandatory, you have to select this. Okay. So that's what it is talking about. And suppose if it is mandatory input form language, you have to tick this one up. Okay, like that. So this is not in editable mode. Okay, for example, if I click in edit, okay, if you go for table settings, so probably you can able to tick mark like this. Okay, if certain fields without these fields, if you don't want to generate output, without these fields, if you don't want to move further at the time of maintaining these records, you cannot able to say that this is condition record. This is somehow like, object maintenance. Okay. So that you can able to do it. So as of now, I'm not doing anything here. Settings, see, if all fields matches, then only if you would like to return output, then you have to take this one initial value, exception partial, like that, few other things also there. But when it comes to result data, so here form template is the main thing actually. Okay. So let's go to the display mode. In the similar way, you can able to find even, for example, if I take the channel, okay, print, here also you will have a table settings. You can able to maintain how you want it. Okay. You can able to take your own field key combination also. Okay. So anyhow, that's fine. So we'll catch up in next session. Probably we'll try to see billing output. If it is already exists, also we'll try to check one more thing. Let me try to, before moving ahead, let's try to cross check. Okay. So let me take, so initially we have configured this is for div R1, right? And let's try to take any other OR, for example. So what happens? So I have taken document type as what? Div R1 in my OPD configuration. See, it will not work for other document types since we made a restriction here. Okay, in the first step. Let's go. This is for negative testing. I'm just showing. So here we have given only div R1. If we don't give anything, it will work for all document types. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. Let's catch up in next session. Have a great day.